and today we're taking a look at the TACTIMAN Multitool. This is a pocket knife with 15-in-1 multi-use tool. So what you have here is a real fine piece of equipment, and it's an instant toolkit. It includes needle nose pliers, which is a substantial size and gives you plenty of gripping power, cutting, and grabbing. It has a serrated blade, a saw blade, a slotted screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, file, wire stripper, a ruler, bottle opener, sewing tool, can opener, slotted screwdrivers 3mm, a knife, and scissors. And each one of these tools are locked into position for safety. Of course, this is perfect for outdoors, indoors, camping, fishing, survival, hunting. It's used in the home where computers need repair, offices, tents. I mean, the multifunction of this tool is just enormous. It's only 207 grams and it's best choice for everyday carry without feeling bulky. It's made of stainless steel. As long as you do a good job of daily cleaning and maintenance, it will always accompany you in great shape. This is a great thing to have for yourself or just a really cool gift.